Hi, I'm Bryan Rafanelli, and I founded Rafanelli Events. We throw big parties in New York City and around the world. We design and produce them. For 2 years running, we have decorated Gracie Mansion for the holidays, and I cannot wait to show you around. Welcome to Gracie Mansion, the official residence of the Mayor and First Lady of New York City. In any project, it's important to make a strong first impression. You'll see that we framed the front door and wrapped the columns along the front porch in garland and ribbon, and we hung a wreath above the front door. I love that the first thing that you see when you walk through this door is this grand and inviting staircase. It makes me think about who else may have climbed these stairs in its long history. We use ribbon for the main decor element throughout the house, because ribbon is a universal symbol of awareness, and it's a material that's used to tie things together. I wanted to make the entrance really vibrant, so we tied fuchsia, turquoise, and purple ribbons along the banister. This draws attention to the twinkling garland and Thrive Together message over the doors at the top of the foyer. You know, this house is also a museum, so we were extremely careful to make sure that we preserved everything from the tabletops to the wallpaper. I'm a storyteller first and foremost. It was important to tell the story of the Mayor and First Lady's initiatives through the decor. Through these doors is the peach room. You'll see one of my favorite decorations, an 8-foot-tall soccer tree made of 50 soccer balls. This tree represents the 50 mini soccer fields that are being built throughout all 5 boroughs of New York City. Each mantle throughout the mansion is adorned with silhouettes created by artist C.C. Johnson. This one represents the success of turning Central Park car-free. It's important to me that everyone who walks through the house, whether they are 5 or 85, can look at the decor and feel a sense of joy and imagination, because that's what the holidays are all about. So this is the Blue Room for obvious reasons. Visitors can come into this room and write personal notes on colorful tags that begin with the statement, "I thrive when," which will get added to the Ballroom Tree. To give you a sense of scale, this magnificent tree is 17 feet tall. We have decorated it with handwritten messages of hope conceived by some of the city's children. Even the menorah and kinara are on theme with their ribbon bases. Now let me show you around the private residence where the Mayor and First Lady hang out. We changed it up all around to make it a little bit more homey and personal. Let's start in the library. Imagine a snowy, cold day in this beautiful, cozy room. I love the garland because it's quiet, sophisticated, and has a little touch of luxury. In the residence parlor, there's another gorgeous tree. I made it special by contrasting the colors of the room, which are gold and green, with the opposite colors of hot pink, purple, with just a touch of gold to tie everything together. And finally, we make our way to the residence foyer, where we illuminated a third tree with Christmas lights and hung gigantic turquoise, silver, and gold ornaments. I always believe you should find the perfect balance between over the top and understated, especially during the holidays. But don't be afraid to make it a little crazy. It can make it really memorable. I want to thank you for taking this walk with me through the people's home. I wanted the holiday decor to really represent what makes this city great.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?